Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you all how to make this very delicious chicken Subway sandwich. We'll start by making the bread, and for that we'll be needing some milk powder, some milk flavor, some sugar, and then some yeast with some warm water. Then add in an egg to that as well with a pinch of salt. Mix that together to combine, and then go in with some bread flour. After adding that in, now going to give that a very good mix until it comes together. Then go in with margarine or butter, whichever one is fine, and then just give that a good mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. So once that has been done, you transfer to your work surface and then use your hands to knead the dough. At this point, you realize it will be sticking to both your hands and the work surface, but don't worry, just keep on kneading. At some point, it will come together nicely. Knead that for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then to get the dough out of the work surface, just go in with some oil on your palm. Then transfer to a bowl. Ensure to oil your bowl, okay? Cover that and allow to rest for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, go ahead to transfer the dough back to your work surface and just bring it together. At this point, you would notice that the dough is well rested and it looks so smooth. Now it's time to shape the dough into a ball and divide into 4 equal parts. If you're still watching this video till now, that means you're enjoying it. So please don't forget to like, drop your comment and subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Nicely form each of the dough into a circle. Then use your hands to spread them out nicely, just as seen in the video. Once that has been achieved, you roll them in. Make sure to pinch as you roll in. Take your time to do this. If it doesn't come out well, you can just repeat the process, okay? Once that has been done, you can now roll it just a little bit, then transfer to your baking pan. After which you cover that and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After which we'll transfer that to our oven for 30 minutes to 20 degrees C. Once that is ready, your kitchen should smell like heaven. So our breads are ready. We can now set this aside until need be. But guys, take a look at the inside. So yummy. So next we are now going to season our shredded chicken with some chicken seasoning, salt, pepper, some vegetable oil together. After mixing, we'll let them marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. While that is marinating, we would go ahead to cut up some cabbage. Now for this, you can choose to use the white and purple. You can choose to use just the white or purple. You can also make use of some lettuce or carrots, whichever one is totally fine. You can also add in some cucumber. Just do you, okay? Once you're done with that, go ahead to fry the marinated chicken in some hot vegetable oil. You would fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chickens are well cooked. Then go in with some chopped onion and little bit of chopped fresh pepper. Stir on that for about 2 minutes, then take it out of the heat immediately and set aside. In a bowl, mix up some mayonnaise, ketchup, and sweet chili sauce together. After mixing, it is now time for us to start assembling everything together. So bring out the bread, and at this point it must have been cooled down completely. Slice through it and then go in with that cream mixture. Spread that nicely on both sides. Then go in with the cabbage. If you're using lettuce, cucumber, carrots, whichever one, add that now as a base. Then go in with the chicken and lots of mozzarella cheese. And this one is ready. You can now secure that using a toothpick or a skewer. As you can see, guys, this is not hard to put together. It's so easy, and trust me, homemade chicken subway sandwich is the best. So for this second one, it's similar to the first. The only difference here is that after adding in the mozzarella cheese, I would now go in with cheese slice, and trust me, the taste is so amazing. So just cover that up and don't forget to secure it, okay, so it doesn't fall apart. Then transfer to your baking tray, and we're now going to put that in the oven for just 5 minutes to 20 degrees C. And after that, guys, our chicken subway sandwich is ready. Hope you all get to give this one a try. Bye, guys.